All right, so the first thing that you need to do, you need to go and copy the contract address for BFT, because we already have BNB in our wallet. Make sure you already have BNB in your Trust wallet. Then go to Telegram. You go to the Telegram group, and then you type /CA to get the BFT contract address. Then it will give you the contract address. Then you copy it. You copy the contract address. All right, it's copied. Then you go back to your Trust wallet with the contract address. And then we go to browser. Then we go to Pancakeswap. And it's loading. Then we need to change our network. The first thing, you must change the network from Ethereum to BNB Smart Chain, because we are under the Binance Smart Chain here. And then you need to connect your wallet. If it's not connected, connect your wallet. Mine is already connected here, so I cannot disconnect. Let me just remove this thing on top. Then you click on the second coin, because that's the one we are buying. You click on cake, because we want to buy BFT, not cake. Then you paste the contract address here, the one that you got on Telegram. You paste it here. There's BFT. You choose BFT. You choose the BFT. You can see we already have a small balance on this wallet. All right, so now we enter the amount of BNB that we want to spend to buy our BFT. Let me click on max. Let me try and buy with the max, the maximum. No, this is it's gonna give me way less coins, so I'll just try to enter the amount manually myself so that I can get more coins. Right, do not just take any price or any amount of coins that they give you. Sometimes just enter manually. Let me try 0.035. And I don't think it will allow me. Maybe 0.033. Yeah, this can allow me, because remember I've got $9 in my wallet. So I go to click the settings button to check the slippage. Okay, it's fine. At 0.5 it's fine. It's very low, so here at the balance of the tokens that I'm buying, I will enter 0.00 just to trick the system. 0.00 at the end, whatever tokens it will give you, just enter 0.00 just to trick the system to allow you to buy it a lower slippage. Then click on swap anyway. And then it will confirm. Then you approve the smart contract. Click on approve. Transaction submitted, and there it is. It has went on, and I've successfully bought my BFT. You can see that the balance has changed. It has increased.